Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to another wonderful edition of the Late Night Tool Catechism. As you can see, the Bosch candy cup is now properly stocked with old man candy, butterscotch. So tonight, we're going to have not really an unboxing, more of an unbagging. I had to have some warranty work done on the iPhone 12, and near the Apple Store. I couldn't hang out at the Apple Store, obviously. I'm definitely not the right sort of hipster type of, yeah. So, while I was waiting, I went over to Rockler because it's always fun to look at all the stuff that they have. If you need some sort of a gadget or a who's or what's it or a something, Rockler's going to have something they can sell you. So, since I've moved from the other workshop to here, my pipe clamps have been in kind of on a pile on the floor and on shelving and such in the storage room down in the basement. The other shop, I had a very nice rack that I had built. I put a lot of time into it. It was really nice, and unfortunately it stayed behind because it was kind of built in, and yeah, so I don't have that. I didn't want to spend lots of time futzing around with that because there's lots of other things that I can blow a lot of time into, like this mobile basin building for the drill press here that's there. We'll talk about that another time. So this is the Rockler pipe clamp, bar clamp rack. The item number on this is 33547. The regular price is $24.99. I've seen these before. I thought, boy, that's kind of neat, but 25 bucks is just too much for me. They had these on sale for $15.99, and I thought, hey, you know, for that price. So I picked up two. Here is one of them. So the pipe clamps for now, and probably who knows for how long, will remain in the storage room down in the basement. So with the magic of editing on the iPhone, which is now mostly fixed, we're going to pop on down to the basement. Hey, look at that. We've been magically transported to the storage room here in the basement of the house. As you can see, I've got one of them up already. Each rack has room for 9 pipe clamps. I have 20 pipe clamps, so I fashioned a couple of little who's or what's its. I believe these brackets are actually rafter ties. Just kind of bolted a couple together with, I believe these are number 10 machine screws. Right, so the extra 2 pipe clamps are up there. We've got one installed. We'll install the second one. These are metal, which is kind of nice because the magnetic level just pops right on those guys. Not that it's super important, but I kind of want to be on the same level as the current one. That should give me enough distance from above to be able to put the clamps. There's one screw. Level that guy out like so. Very nice. Grab the other screw. right. Got it screwed into place. Boom, pow. Nothing to it. We'll hang up some clamps. Seen my earlier videos. You saw the one on these fairly nice Harbor Freight pipe clamps. Obviously Rockler has their version, and now I notice Pony has a version with the footies on. And then I have a bunch of these red ones. There we go. Everything now has kind of a nice home, and when I'm looking for pipe clamps, I won't be foraging about through all the other stuff that's down here. And it actually looks kind of neat and tidy. I like these. Simple, quick to throw up, and you know, boom, boom, pow, you got it up. Pipe clamps are up and stowed. The home-built ones, I had spent quite a lot of time, and as you can see, this was just a matter of a couple of screws with the level, and now, thank you for watching. If you found this information somewhat useful, feel free to subscribe, like, follow, all of that jazz. I thank you, and everyone have a very good evening. Good night.